Good day to my future employer. My name is Pilar Maniquez from the Philippines. 46 years old. I have one son, 20 years old. I am college graduate of Computer Secretarial. My work experience abroad, 3 years in Taiwan as a factory worker, start at June 15, 1999 to June 15, 2002. 4 years in Saudi Arabia as domestic helper. Start at February 27, 2005 to January 3, 2009. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, washing dishes. They have three members of the family: 89 years old, 50, 45 years old. 8 years in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia as a caregiver in rehabilitation center. I have four patients, all bedridden. Ages 50, 45, 45, 27, NGT, and epileptic. I give proper food and medicine, bathing, changing clothes, changing diaper, mobility, and maintaining good personal hygiene. I hope you will hire me, madam. I'm willing to learn and I'll do my best. Thank you.